Okay, and for the last math exam we had, it was an IV infusion times. So for all of these, we'll be solving for hour, or by hour, because we want to know how many hours it'll take for this IV to finish infusing, right? Um, so number one is an IV infusing at 100 milliliters per hour with 1,000 milliliters left in the bag. Calculate infusion and completion time for milliliters per hour. So solving for hours, we have 1 hour is should infuse 100 milliliters times 1,000 milliliters. And we can just put that over 1 because it's not paired with anything. And if we cross cancel, we have only hours left, or hours. So this would be 1,000 over 100. I'm going to cancel those zeros out, making it 10 over 1, and that just equals 10 hours. So those are the simple versions of this kind of problem. Number 2 is a little bit longer. So again, we'll be solving for hour. An IV infusing at 125 milliliters per hour with 600 milliliters of fluid left in the bag. Calculate the infusion and completion time for milliliters per hour. So in 1 hour, 125 milliliters will infuse, and there's 600 milliliters left in the bag. We can solve because we only have hours left. We can divide these down by 5. 125 divided by 5 is 25. 600 divided by 5 is 120. So we have 120 over 25, which we can divide over here. 25 times 4 is 100. We have 20 left. We'll add a decimal point, make it 200. And so 25 times 8 is equal to 200. So we have 4.8 hours. But of course, nobody really knows what 0.8 of an hour is, right? So we need to turn the 0.8 we need to convert the 0.8 from hours into minutes. So we'll do a second conversion where we're solving for minutes. And we only need the 0.8 because the 4 is already in full hours, right? So 60 minutes is 1 hour times 0.8 of an hour for 1. Cross cancel, we have minutes left like we need. And so we can just multiply. So 60 times 0.8, 8 times 0, 0, 8 times 6 is 48. Placeholder 0, 0, 0. Add that together. We'll move it in 1 decimal place. And so it equals to 48. So our full answer is 48 minutes. Our full answer is 4 hours and 48 minutes is how long it'll take for the rest of the IV to infuse.